So welcome everyone in today's video, and in this video I'm going to compare Powtoon with the Animaker. First of all, if you have you are unable to understand my English accent, then I will leave this blog post link in the description. That is kind of a transcription of this video, and if you can understand my English accent, then continue. First of all, I want to tell you about Animaker. Recently they have rolled out a 2.0 version, and there are a lot of missing things that were possible inside 1.0 version, and you are not getting inside the 2.0 version. So I contacted their support, and they said that we are adding these features, and once those are complete we will let you know. But you can still access 1.0 version. Just make sure you are using a Chrome browser and enable the flash for better performance. Anyway, so let's jump to the actual comparison. As you can see on my screen, I have a login to Animaker, and I'm on the paid subscription of Animaker. On the other hand side, I am using a free plan for the Powtoon. You will find out later on this video why I'm using a free plan. So anyway, so let's create a video. Here I will I have to select I will go with custom dimension, or you can pick a pre-made platform size. Then I will click on blank, and it always open things in the new tab. And here I will click on blank Powtoon. So first of all, let's talk about characters, because I think it is the one of most important thing in the animation videos. So let me select modern edge. Powtoon really has a lot of pre-made characters. So these characters are divided into multiple categories, as you can see. And if there is also kind of cartoon types of character, but from my experience, modern edges are better. That's why I have selected them. And so these are divided into categories, and both tools also allows you to build a custom character. Okay, this is also possible. First of all, let's talk about pre-made characters. So let me select an character, and bring it here. And you can select an character, then you will get pre-made actions in the both platform, and you can assign him any action. Definitely you are getting a lot more character comparing with the Animaker. Here you are getting only 30 characters. I have counted them. Okay, and at the end depends upon your plan. So what one of the thing that I love about Animaker is a characters action. So here you are getting good number of decent actions, but comparing with the Animaker, I mean seriously there is no limit. So if I bring it here, and these are your actions, you really need to use this search box, because this is our never ending list. So I tried to count them, and I counted 400, and still list was never ending. So you are getting close to 500 actions. And one more thing that I love about Animaker is let's say first of all select an action. You can customize the effect, sorry, you can customize the face expression. For example, we have selected this character, and if I go to expression, these are your face expression, and this is star, and let me pick this one, confused. And you can change the expression. So I really love this feature, especially when you want to bring emotions to your video. And coming to the customization, building a custom character, this is available in the both platforms. So create own, and inside the Powtoon, let's also build a create your character. So we have to pick an gender. I will pick she. And inside the Powtoon, if you want to build a custom character, you have to purchase their agency plan, and it will cost you a lot of money, almost close to $1,200 per year, and it is not available on a monthly subscription. Plus these plans on monthly subscription will cost you a lot more money, as you can see. However, inside the Animaker, you can build custom character on any plan. Number of custom character that you can build in is depends upon subscription that you have currently going on. So let's back to the video. Then we have to select a pre-made character inside Animaker. I will select this one, and I will click on try for free. Got it. Then fix gender, next. Then these things are coming soon and not available inside inside Animaker. Let's go to next. Then so inside Animaker you can customize everything. Here you can different hairstyles, hair color, face shape, eye. I mean these are things are also available inside Powtoon. However, there are a lot of things that are not available inside Powtoon. For example, footwear. Maybe it's available inside Powtoon. Eyewear, okay, hat, headphones, neckwear, jewelry, watch, and handband. You can even apply a mask and tattoo. You are not getting in the Powtoon, but Powtoon also has some special features that are not available inside Animaker. That is okay. Let me go back. So that is uploading a logo, so you can place your company logo on the character. I seriously think that Animaker needs this feature. So let me click on finish, and here we will also click on save, although we didn't do anything special. So go to dashboard, and Powtoon takes some time for saving a custom character. That's okay, I think. So we were in the video coming to the it's a asset library except characters. You are getting a decent library in the both software. Let me also show you in the Powtoon. What I think, if I have to pick one which is best, I think Powtoon is better than the Animaker. Its library seriously bigger than the Animaker. And for the photos and videos and the sound, they are using a API of Storyblocks. In case you don't know, it is a website where you can find stock media. So it's a paid website, but inside Powtoon you are getting it free. And on the other hand side, I don't think so that they are using any third party API, but its library, photo and video library, is also big enough. And obviously you can also upload your own one photo, video or music that you want to do. This is also possible inside both platforms. And another thing that I want to talk about, really important, is let's say that you're creating a video, and inside the Animaker you can assign a different action after the another action. If you want to do it in the Powtoon, what you have to do, first of all, you have to decrease its duration, and then you have to copy paste this character on the same position, and then you can assign him a different job. So it is kind of bit tricky, but inside Animaker it is pretty easy. Click on this action plus button, and then choose any plus button, either this one or this one. Okay, then select your different action, and then again click on this and click on apply, and you can also adjust the timing here, and done. You are done. So now that's how you can sign multiple characters. And lip syncs technology is also available in the both platforms. And one of the thing that is shocking for me is still, although I talked about this, it is a price. So Powtoon price is really, I mean, if you try to purchase their monthly subscription, these plans makes no sense. And in case you are going to pick the Powtoon price, just try to buy the Pro plan, because a lot of things are limited in the Pro plan. For example, let me show you. I mean, this if we go to character library, so as you can see, these characters are available for the Pro Plus plan, and these characters are also. So you are getting a lot of limited assets if you are going to pick the Pro plan. So go with the Pro Plus plan or agency. On the Powtoon, I will recommend you to avoid their basic plan. So go with their starter or the Pro plan, or maybe enterprise if you want to go with. And what there are few things that are only available inside Powtoon, and few things that are only available inside Animaker. Let's talk about them. So inside Animaker, they have recently added this Animaker voice that is kind of text to speech, and
it is good enough, not very robotic, but still you can't compare it with human voice.
So it is kind of decent. Then we have a GIF maker. If you want to engage with your social media followers, you can also make GIF, and These two things, these are some different apps of the Animaker. So you have to purchase them additionally if you want to use them. So Design Maker kind of an alternative to Canva, and a Screen Recorder basically recording your PC screen. On coming to the Powtoon, in the Powtoon you can record your screen, and you can also convert your PowerPoint presentations into videos. You are not getting this feature in the Animaker. So yeah, that is pretty much for this video, and my recommendation is I think Powtoon is a bit overpriced, so that's no doubt. So my recommendation is you should go with the Animaker, so because it's affordable, and it has some features, for example selecting one action after the previous action, and a lot of free made actions available. So that are the things I think you should consider Animaker. So that is for this video. I know I have skipped a lot of videos, but I just want to provide you kind of overview so you can make a decision. So thank you everyone for watching this video, and if you like it, give a thumbs up to this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.